In this video, we'll be talking about how to integrate Google Calendar with Profit.co. Once you integrate, users will be able to sync the meetings that they create in Profit.co to their Google Calendar. Navigate to Google Workspace Marketplace and search for Profit.co OKR software. Click on Domain Install to install the application. Now click Continue. The client ID can be clearly seen in the URL here. Google will ask to confirm what data Profit.co can access. We already have approval for the first 4 scopes and they are available in our product. We need approval for the last scope. See, edit, share and permanently delete all the calendar you can access using Google Calendar. It is to sync the OKR meetings users create in Profit.co to Google Calendar and to view the domain users Google Calendar while creating a meeting in Profit.co to check their availability. Once installed, you can go to Gmail and select Profit.co OKR software from the Google Apps. It will redirect you to the Profit.co homepage. The SSO redirection is done through User Scope. Navigate to Settings, Integrations and G Suite. You will be able to see the imported users here. Select the users you want to add in Profit.co. The import users from G Suite is done through the scope. See info about users on your domain. Now let's create a meeting in Profit.co. Click on the plus icon, select any meeting type, department, and click on Check Availability to view the meeting attendees calendar. And click on Schedule. The meeting is created with talking points and you can add tasks, action items for the meeting attendees. Now, if you go to the calendar, you'll be able to see the meeting that you created in Profit. We need calendar scope to sync the meetings from Profit.co to Google Calendar.